Yep, put it down there so we can see it on the camera. Can you see it? There you go, keep cutting. And you can just cut those really wide if you want, like this. Because we know what we're going to do, just cut those out like that. And then the dragon, when you get to him, just cut his head out around like that and the handle. So we have room to carve it. Work? Does that work for you?
Yep, work.
Excellent.
I need the down from this.
Go for it.
The special sword for the guys called the Dragon Knights. The Dragon Knights used to fight dragons in 19th centuries.
Yeah, huh. Were the dragons bad?
The dragons were good.
Oh, they were good? Well, why'd they fight them then?
They started the war first.
The dragons started the war?
No, the bad guys, the fire guys started it first.
Did they?
Uh-huh.
There's a crack right there, so we should make it.
The fire guys started it first.
Did they?
Uh-huh.
There's a crack right there, so we should make it. Let's see what the other side looks like. Yeah, a little bit of crack. Got a few cracks, but that won't hurt anything, right? Where's the widest part? Down here?
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll put it.
Like this.
Yeah, that looks good right there. Alright, you ready? I got it. I'm on it, man. So,
Ready to take the black.
here we go.
Okay,
Pattern. We'll leave room for the dragon head.
No, we need to use black.
And we're gonna put this on separate, okay? So the grain goes a different way. Okay, finish draw the rest of that with black. There you go. I got it, I'm holding it. Draw it longer. Yeah, there you go. Draw it longer, like up in here. Make it a real crazy sword. How's that?
No, not a real crazy sword. I'll make the top. I'll make the top like this.
Okay.
No, to make the top really pointy, really pointy.
Alright, and we're going to put this cross piece on separate, okay? This piece right here. We'll put that on separate. How's that?
Not pretty bad.
Alright, I can cut it out now. It's filming it made two. Well, it looks like we're going to make two dragon swords. Does that work?
No, we're not going to make two.
Alright, we could make two, but we'll just make one. How's that?
Yeah, one is good.
This looks like a good one to
Wait, where did you put all this stuff in here? Not the next one. This is not the one.
do. This is going to be the handle, and then here's the... So they're there.
Yes.
Let me see your hand.
What?
Put your hand in here. Does that needs to be a little bit bigger than that, doesn't it? Hang on. Okay. Hang on. Let's make it just a little bit
Dang,
bigger.
that's strong. Dang.
All right, now I gotta go back to the socks. It's an owl.
Can I paint the owl?
Yeah, you can here. Try it out in your hand. There you go. Nice. Alright, let me see it. See your hand. So, show it to the camera like this. Again, you gotta go slow.
No, watch.
Yeah, you gotta go slow. Watch.
Watch this, watch this.
Show them the dragon part. Flip it over. Nice and slow. There you go. Alright, ready to color, man. I'm getting some coffee now, alright?
Owl that hides in the snow. Really good. That's the type.
Alright, thanks for sharing, man. Okay, it's round.
Do you have a white pencil?
White? No.
Okay.
I don't think so. Nope.
I need it. That's because I need the star for the Captain America shield.
Oh, well, yeah, you'll have to get, we'll have to bust out the paint for that. How's that?
No. It's not bust out the paint.
I don't have the white, man. And the paint's in the house. All right, is that the Captain America shield right there?
Yeah, look, I made it white here. White here.
All right, well, hang on.
Look, white here, white here, white here. Look, I made it white here.
All right, hang
I
on.
made it white here.
Okay, check this out.
Chicken.
All right, watch. You can use this,
Maybe
but
please help me draw a star.
what? You don't need to with this. Watch. Is that the shield right there?
Yeah, that's the shield. But I'm gonna put red white here and white inside.
Where's the star go? Right there?
The star, no, the star goes right here.
In the
Right
middle? Okay. Well, color it in black, and I'll show you how to do the star. I'll do the star. You mugging for the camera?
Hey, Mom.
Try this one. Works. Are we done here? Are we done? Let me see.
Yep,
Are we done? All right.
But we just need the last color yellow.
All right. Well, to get her done, so we can go in the house and.
But yellow's not showing up. That's why I have to put yellow in the house.
All right. Let me see yours.
Yellow's not right here. Yellow,
You're not seeing the yellow there.
I put
Got
it yellow.
Understood. Yellow wasn't there. I got it. I'm all over it. All right, that's it. We're done.